Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to try and get a few jobs done on JBM here. See it there in the background. So here we go. So here is the dash. I've actually taken out the Taurus because it's got the 6-cylinder rev counter that I need to put in here. This has got to have a new wood dash anyway because that one's broke. So I've got a spare. So I'm in the process now of actually taking all the dash out. I've just got the speedo cable to come out here, and then you've got the two plugs behind there which I can't film, but two plugs for the dash behind there to come out. I've already disconnected the connections for the hazard light, rear mist and cigarette lighter. Stereo has been removed as well over there. So here we go. Right, so here's the replacement dash that I've got after a lot of hunting. I eventually found it right back over yonder, be buried. You don't want to go there, there's all kinds of monsters and things. Right, so back to this. This is, I had this given quite a few years ago. I believe, looking at the part number there, that looks like a facelift Mark III dash, but it will do the job. Got my switches in, ready to connect up. And this is got a lovely, it's probably from 2008, I guess. Look at that veneer, that's in really, really good shape. So that'd be perfect. And now, got the task of, here we go, swapping the speedo and the rev count around because this was out of the left-hand drive car. Put it in there, and it should be ready to connect back up. So here's everything connected to the dash. I thought what I'd do before I put the binnacle in is to actually test it. So you can see it here. Oh, what pest. There we go. Lights work. That all works, illumination, and I did put the hazard light in and try the indicators, and they worked perfectly. You can actually see there's a main beam. There we go, and it's even showing that I've got petrol. Look at that, Bobby Dazzler. So here is all the dash actually fitted back in the car. Everything bolted back in. I've just got to stick the felt back under there now. There's a key. It all seems to work. Hazards. Let's see if I can get this thing to start. Couple of pumps. As you can see, the rev counter worked, so that is all good. So yeah, nice working dash. Perfect job. So yeah, last time this was on the road was 2022, I believe. Yeah, in the August, I bought the car back. And there is another video that I did actually explaining all about the car and the history behind it, when I bought it to when I sold it, etc. I'll put that in the description, and then you'll find that on the YouTube page. That's worth a watch. But I hope you guys enjoyed it a little bit of Cortina content. And what I've got to do, I've got another car in front of me that I'll make a video on. So this is the other car which I shall make a completely different video on, because there's a lot of history behind that story, etc., and what I intend to do with it. But that's not a bad shell at all, that car. So yeah, as always, like and subscribe please if you could, that'd be great. Doesn't cost anything. And I think that'll do for today, but I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.